my channel. It's me, Justin, your bubble milk and iced tea barista. How is everyone after this few days? I hope everybody is great. Now for today's video vlog, I'm going to unbox an item which I bought from a leading shopping application here in Macau. This is my item. This item will help me as a vlogger. Now we will see what is inside. It's my tripod. It's a Yunteng tripod. Wow. It's included with a bag and an accessory. Wow, look at that. So I can see inside with, this is the manual maybe. We will take all the items out of the plastic bag. Oh, this is what I like. A remote control and a recharging jack. There's an accessories. Oh, look at that. It's cool, man. And that's it. There's a remote control keeper. Cool. I like that. We will measure this so that we will know the height of this tripod by the help of this tape measure. It measures 5 feet and 2 inches or 155 centimeters. And that is the maximum height. Now we will try to measure how small is it. It's 1 foot 9 inches. This tripod measures 4 feet 5 inches tall. This tripod can be adjusted in 4 ways. This is the normal in 1 foot. Now we will adjust on 2 feet. The 3 feet and the 4 feet. This is the normal height. You can tilt while holding the lever. You can adjust up and down and back. To install your phone, pull down the lever and insert your phone. That's it. You can adjust also your phone on the sideways. To remove the phone, just twist the lever. That's it. This is made of stick and plastic. You can use also as your selfie stick. This tripod is with a carrier bag so that it's easy to carry on. Cool. This tripod is included with a Bluetooth remote control, so you can control your mobile phone for iPhone and Android. Melting addicts, I hope you enjoy my unboxing of my tripod, which I bought from an online shop here in Macau. Thank you for watching for my unboxing of my tripod. Hope you will see you again on my next video. Please like and subscribe my channel only here at Justin T and for channel. What you see is what you get.